Welcome everybody to this video where I am disassembling a Technic car while I talk why I didn't upload that much this 4 months. I've been trying to upload. I had a few ideas like changing the puzzle. If you're an OG, you know that I had a puzzle right here which I used and you could have seen. But then that would just took too long and I didn't have the time for it, so I didn't do it. I also had a video that went over the timeline for 10 minutes. I also tried 2 different things to make a Lego tank that works and also a Lego gun. None of those really worked out. Luckily, now that I disassembled this, I have a few components that I may be able to create at least one of them. So, for right now, if you don't want me to miss out on 4 months of videos because I have no ideas, you could just post it down in the comments below which you just want me to make a video on. It could be anything really. I have enough Legos to make anything. I have robot parts so I can make mechanical stuff. So hopefully you like this little clip, and I'm done talking. So see you in the next one, which will definitely be sooner than last one. Bye.